Hi friends, it's my class 23. Doubly reinforced beam. A problem from AMI Summer 2009. Exam question solution. Analysis subject analysis and design of structures. Question. Design a doubly reinforced concrete beam provided over a span of 8 meters if it's required to support a UDL of uniformly distributed load of 25 kN per meter, including self-weight, in addition to 3 point loads of 15 kN each placed at 1/4 points. The section of the beam is restricted to 250 into 500 mm, including depth of slab. Use M20 grade concrete and Fe 450 steel grade. Data given. Breadth B is equal to 250 mm. Depth D is equal to 500 mm. Small d is equal to effective depth is equal to 450 mm. D dash cover is equal to 50 mm. FCK characteristic strength of concrete 20 Newton per millimeter square. Fy characteristic strength of steel 450 Newton per millimeter square. Ultimate moment equals 345 kilonewton meter, which can be calculated easily. It's a simply supported beam. Reactions first calculated, and at center the maximum moment will be at the center, and the moment of at the center is found. Its mu is equal to 345 kilonewton meter. Mu limit for a balanced section is equal to 0.36 FCKB XU max into D minus 0.42 XU max. XU max equals 0.48 into 450 from page 20 note code IS 456 2000. Mu limit is equal to 140 kilonewton meter. Mu greater than mu limit. Section is to be designed as a doubly reinforced beam. FSC characteristic strength of steel in compression, and ASC compressive reinforcement area. FSC is equal to 0.0035 into XU max minus T dash by XU max into ES is equal to 538 Newton per millimeter square, but FSC is equal to 0.87 into 450 is equal to 361 Newton per millimeter square. This value is using mu minus mu lim is equal to 205 kilonewton meter. AC is equal to 205 into 10⁶ by 361 into 400. That's equal to 1420 millimeter square. AC is equal to formula used. AC is equal to mu1 by FSC into D minus T dash. AST2 is equal to ASC, compressive area of compressive reinforcement, and is equal to 1420 millimeter square. AST1 equals 0.36 FCKB XU max by 0.87 into 450 is equal to 1777 millimeter square. AST2 equivalent tensile reinforcement area is equal to ASC, area of compressive reinforcement. Total tensile steel area AST is equal to AST1 plus AST2. ASC is equal to 1420 millimeter square. AST equals 1420 plus 1077 is equal to 2497 millimeter square. 250 into 500 into 4 by 100 is equal to 5000, which is 4% of the area of the beam, cross-sectional area of the beam, which is greater than 2407, hence it is safe. MU limit is equal to 0.87 Fy into AST1 into D minus Fy AST by AST1 by FCKB. Substituting, the resulting Carteret equation is solving. AST1 is equal to 1420. Concepts. We know compressive stress is equal to 0.36 FCK. Compressive area Xmax into B. Total compressive force, stress into area, 0.36 FCK B into Xmax. Tensile stress 0.87 Fy. Area of steel reinforcement AST. Total tensile force, stress into area is equal to 0.87 into Fy into AST. C Z is equal to TZ. Total compressive force is equal to total tensile force. Then compressive is equal, Z is equal to D minus 4, lever arm Z is equal to D minus 4.416 Xmax. MU limit is equal to CZ or TZ. Thank you.